fish wherever you are.
Mutongoria wa aria aige Anthony Ikonya ururatongoragia ndereti egie mubango uyu niugite aikari a Kiambu ni makoretwo magithinika ni undu wa kwaga insurance ya ugima wa mwiri.
You will have members of the public
niongereire kuga ati aige aikari a Kiambu ni makoretwo makigomerwo ni murigo munene wa kuriha bill cia thibitari akiuga mubango uyu ni ukumateithĩrĩria na gikiro kinene.
Speaker, I want to add in the assembly to support this motion so that we'll be able to encourage the members of the public in Kiambu County to have the NHIF card, which would go a long way in settling their bills. Mr. Speaker, I would wish that this county makes NHIF card a prerequisite, just like the way you ask for an ID when you access the government service. It becomes a prerequisite such that so that will make sure that we encourage as many people as possible to have this card.
Mwena-ini wake, muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri Edward Ngugi augite aikari ingi a Kiambu matikorerwo ni mubango wa NHIF ona thengia ya gukorwo magomeirwo ni mitino iria yumanaga na boda. Mwena-ini wake, Governor Ferdinand Waitito ni atogeretie kuhitukio kwa mubango uyu akiuga thirikari yake ni igite keheri-ini muigana wa ciringi milioni 25 cia gutangikira marihi ma thibitari.
We know there are some families that are vulnerable and they also need a NHIF card. As a county government, we shall make sure that we pay for them. As a county, already we have budgeted about 24 million to pay for those families that are not able to pay for themselves.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Muthoni wa Njoroge.